what they say about sausage is true. It tastes good, but you do not want to watch it being made. We've got this boat under reconstruction, and you can see it's a mess. Although it's an organized mess, it's not a disaster. And we are ready to put the rebuilt swim platform on the stern of the boat. This is a rubber-tired forklift. It's got swim platform on it, and you can see a shadow moving again, and has to go on these brackets down here on the stern of the boat. It's going to be a little tricky. There's a ditch right there, not very deep, but it'll change the angle of the fork and the horizontal level of the swim platform. And there it is, the swim platform, painted Hatteras white, which is a distinctive creamy off-white color. And they're having to negotiate the forklift between that big steel pipe that holds the water connections and all of those tripods that are ready for the next boat to come into the boatyard to be stored high and dry. This is Linda to my left in the black shirt. She's the contractor that's doing all of the work on this boat. And that's Fred driving the forklift. And you can see the shadow over there. That's the Red Rooster. That's his nickname. And the tall guy just barely in the corner is Lemonade. They're watching the forks, that big bedspread. They don't want the fork to interfere with the brackets on the boat. Woo! That's close. Is that bracket okay? Okay, they just confirmed the bed sheet makes it look like they're touching, but they're not. It's not metal to metal. See the bare fork over there. So work like this is easy to do when you've got a team and the right tools. If you want to learn more about boatyard repair, do-it-yourself maintenance on your own boat, oil changes, fuel filter changes, rubber impeller, raw water pump changes, ask Captain Chris.
It's like the way we got it off. Yeah. Nice. All right, mate. All right. Thank you.